Flexible setup. Hub required. Easily pair Sengled multicolor smart light bulb directly to a compatible smart hub, like Sengled Smart Hub, SmartThings Hub, Wink Hub and Habitat Hub. They are A19 Alexa light bulbs, no separate smart hub required when connected to Amazon Echo Plus or Echo Show, 2nd Gen. Additional hub required when connect smart bulbs to Echo, Echo Dot or Google Assistant devices. Voice control. Smart light bulbs that work with Alexa and Google Home. Control your smart light bulb via voice commands to turn your smart bulbs on, off, adjust colors, brightness and more, e.g. Switch on the A19 Alexa light bulbs before getting out of bed, dim the smart lights from the couch to watch a movie. Wake up sleep mode. Easily set up via using Sengled Home App, iOS and Android. Schedule your smart lights to slowly light up. Starting at the set time, the smart bulbs will slowly brighten throughout the timespan you set. Your lights will slowly get brighter in the morning. And you can also schedule your lights to simulate a sunset so that you can fall asleep more naturally every evening. Your bulbs will slowly dim over the timespan you set. Millions color changing. More than 16 million colors are available, but also has DIY selection to create your great LED mood lighting. Free to dim the light within 1% to 100% in brightness, to a level you want on your phone. No need to search for a dimmer. Change the color temperature from warm to cold, 2000 K 6500 kelvins, enriching your lighting experience. You can also create a group for all of your Alexa light bulbs, and easily group control your smart light bulbs with Alexa, Google Home. Sengled Smart Hub supports 2.4G 5G Connect Smart Light Bulb to Sengled Smart Hub, which works with both 2.4G 5G Wi-Fi router. Connect hub to your router with Ethernet cable. High connection reliability. Even add up to 64 smart bulbs to the Smart Hub system. Without worry about straining your network and frequently drop offline like most smart Wi-Fi bulbs in the market. Easily expand your smart lighting system with accessories sold separately, such as a Sengled smart light strip, dimmer switch, smart plug, or door window sensor. Top reviews from the United States. Works great. I purchased a pair of Sengled light bulbs for the purpose of simulating sunrise instead of buying a sunrise alarm clock. During the winter when it's still dark in the early morning, it helps to wake up to a slowly brightening room. With Sengled, you can program your bulbs to turn on, off at various brightnesses, times, fade in, out. The hub was easy to set up. The only downside. We had a power outage and when the power came back on in the middle of the night, so did our lamp which woke us up. Also if Wi-Fi is down, can't use your lights, so I keep a spare regular bulb stored nearby just in case. Note: our Sengled lights are not the primary lighting in the rooms where we use them.